Best drip coffee makers, super simple, super cheap. Number 1. Mochamaster 53949 KBGV Select Coffee Maker. Perfect coffee every time. This pump-free coffee maker heats water to the correct temperature for coffee extraction. Brew volume selector switch for brewing half or full carafes. Easy to use, the Mochamaster brews a full 40 ounces pot of coffee in 4 to 6 minutes using one switch. Quiet and safe, the Mochamaster Select quietly brews your coffee and automatically turns off after 100 minutes. Delicious coffee and peace of mind, Mochamaster coffee brewers have a 5-year warranty. Number 2. Breville Precision Brewer Glass Coffee Maker. The Breville Precision Brewer Glass is a 60 ounces drip coffee maker with glass carafe that allows you to brew third-wave specialty coffee at home, automatically. Experience your favorite coffee at its best with precise temperature and brewing time. Automatic presets and customizable, 6 unique brewing modes ensure you enjoy the perfect balanced coffee every time. Preset modes include gold, fast, strong, iced, cold brew, and my brew. Also you can experience your favorite coffee at its best. Precise and adjustable temperature, coffee maker with precise digital temperature control, PID, 3 different flow rates to optimize contact time and thermocoil heating system delivering water that is more pure than typical brewing systems that use aluminum. Number 3. Ratio 6 Coffee Maker. Brews up to 40 ounces, 8 5-ounces cups. The Ratio 6 Coffee Maker is built with thick, precision stamped stainless steel with a satin stainless steel or matte black finish. Laboratory-grade handblown borosilicate glass water lines. BPA-free copolymer water tank with water markings from 2 to 8 cups, with accuracy to within 1 ounce. The tank holds 44 ounces, 1.3 liters of water at the full mark, with roughly 10% of that volume absorbed into the coffee grounds. 44 ounces poured into the water tank should yield about 40 ounces of brewed coffee. Designed in Portland, Oregon. Number 4. Breville Grind Control Coffee Maker. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. The Breville Grind Control creates third-wave specialty coffee by capturing freshness and essential oils from beans by grinding before you brew with steep and release technology. Choose to brew directly into a carafe, tall cup or travel mug for on the go. Number 5. Smeg 50s Retro Style Aesthetic Drip Filter Coffee Machine, 10 cups, pastel green. Brand Smeg. Capacity 10 cups, 4 cups. Color pastel green. Special feature programmable. Coffee maker type drip coffee machine. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing.